I look so old.
I need to talk to my wife for like 1 second.
No matter what the circumstance, far away and the journey is hard.
That car came like this close to hitting me.
This close, huh?
Yeah.
What are you waiting for?
You will be begging for death within a century, I assure you.
I will see you in the year of our Lord 1489 then. Have I made a bargain with the devil?
No,
It's some kind of game.
no game.
Why you? Why are you here?
I'm here because I'm interested in your experience. Live your life as you choose, then on this day.
It's Sir Robert Gadlin now. My first son born in over 200 years on this earth.
Plagues, fires, floods, to the judgment.
Let him be. He is my guest.
Knew you'd be here.
So do you still wish to live?
Beat the fucking table.
It's a poor thing for one man to enslave another.
Giving me advice. After 400 years. We still meet here century after century.